Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some warm conditions across the region this morning, seeing temperatures already in the mid-70s, 75 degrees here at Wallops. Going to see temperatures peaking near 80 degrees today. We'll see a cold front sweeping through the region for the evening. That's going to give us a good chance of some showers and thunderstorms. Shouldn't see any wind advisories or lightning advisories until about 5 to 6 o'clock this evening, so a good weather day today before we see some deteriorating conditions this evening. As far as our sounding goes this morning, we have a freezing level at 12,300 feet, winds out of the southwest around 20 knots in the low levels. See those winds decrease slightly around 6,000 feet and under 10 knots, and then increasing slightly and still out of the southwest and continuing through the column up to 16,000 feet, where we see a peak wind around 22 knots out of the southwest. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, you see here we have a cold front that's currently across the western portions of the Mid-Atlantic region. We have a warm front just north of our region that's really delineating between some low-level cloud cover across the central Mid-Atlantic and sunshine across our region and the southern and central Delmarva. We'll see this cold front move through the region today, and you can see here the WPC outlines for rain showers across our area today, and it does look likely we'll have some rain showers and thunderstorms for this evening, and you can also see that rain shower activity still currently back across the Appalachian Mountains. So taking a look at the SPC outlook for today, our Storm Prediction Center, you can see here the darker green is the marginal risk across the area for severe weather today, and the parameter that we're looking at is for our gusty winds. Here you can see that wind or marginal wind for severe weather moves up to the Maryland-Delaware line, and you can see the showers still currently across the Appalachians. They'll continue to progress eastward, and we'll see some showers and thunderstorms developing ahead of these showers as they move towards the region for this afternoon. And taking a look at our current satellite imagery, really nicely seeing that delineation between those low clouds across central Delmarva or northwestern Delmarva and the sunshine across our region, with that warm front just kind of hanging out just north of our area today. Looking at the HRM model for today, you can see here this is at 2 p.m. this afternoon, those showers and thunderstorms developing ahead of that cold front, and then by 5 to 6 o'clock we see those showers and thunderstorms moving through the area and giving us a good chance of that from about 6 to 9 p.m. this evening. And then once we move past that, could see a few scattered showers moving through behind that front. We'll see some slightly breezy to breezy conditions when that front moves through, and also having that chance of a convective wind gust with any thunderstorms moving through the area. Once we move into Wednesday morning, going to see our winds starting to pick up out of the northwest, and we'll have some cloud cover starting to build in from the northwest by Wednesday afternoon. Taking a look at the European model for the next few days, that cold front sweeps through today. Then we'll have an upper level trough across the northeast states for the next several days after that. That's going to give us some cooler than average weather, some cooler overnight lows in the 30s, some locations inland. We'll see temperatures near freezing for Thursday morning, Friday morning, and possibly seeing those temperatures in the upper 30s Saturday morning. So we could be seeing some frost and freeze advisories across the inland locations. Here at Wallops, most likely going to see temperatures in the upper 30s. As far as our winds go, looks like a wind advisory will be likely on Wednesday afternoon, as well as Thursday afternoon, and possibly even Friday afternoon, with some breezy conditions continuing with that northwesterly flow across the region. As we move into Saturday, we'll see temperatures start to warm, as we'll have a warm front stretching across the Tennessee Valley into the North and South Carolinas. It's going to be trying to move towards our region for Saturday into Sunday, but with this area high pressure remaining over the northeast states, we'll most likely just see dry conditions across our area. And then for Monday, looks like we'll see pattern really kind of still remaining stagnant with this area high pressure moving off the coast. Could see a sprinkle or two if this warm front is able to move through on Monday, but should see some moderating temperatures after Thursday as this high pressure moves off the coast. So looking at a risk chart for today, expecting a high around 79 degrees, Wouldn't be surprised if we see 80 as temperatures are rising quickly this morning. We'll see a low tomorrow morning of 48. Rain likely, as well as a good chance of a thunderstorm for this evening. Seeing a chance of those wind gusts near 25 knots when that front moves through, as well as a chance of a stronger storm with some wind gusts above 25 knots. By tomorrow morning, should see that northwesterly flow really start to kick in with the cold air advection or colder air moving into the area. That'll give us some gusts near 25 knots by tomorrow morning at 8 local. As far as our 24-hour terminal forecast goes, going to see a 30% chance of a thunderstorm after 4 o'clock till 6 o'clock. And then after 6 p.m. or 1800 local, we'll see a 60% chance of a thunderstorm till 2100 local or 9 p.m. And that's a good chance of a thunderstorm. Should see that in the region during that time frame. And we'll just see some scattered showers after 9 p.m. or 2100 local till about 10 o'clock or 10 p.m. And we'll continue to see skies clear overnight with just some mostly sunny skies by tomorrow morning. Our tides are slightly above normal, and looking at a Wednesday and a Thursday, seeing dry conditions but breezy conditions for all 3 time frames here. Partly to mostly cloudy and breezy, high of 61 on Wednesday. Partly cloudy to mostly clear and slightly breezy, a low of 37 Wednesday night. And for Thursday, mostly sunny and breezy, a high of 58. So looking like below normal temperatures and some breezy conditions. Looking at the next 7 days, we'll see below average temperatures for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, with temperatures only peaking in the 50s for our Thursday. Overnight lows, as I mentioned before, in the 30s. And those inland locations where the wind is able to die down more than the coast, we'll see temperatures in possibly the lower 30s to mid-30s. So could see those frost and freeze advisories in inland locations for those mornings, expecting the colder temperatures. And then for Saturday and Sunday, as that high moves off the coast, we'll continue to see dry conditions, temperatures moderating the mid to upper 60s. Then for Monday, it looks like right now we should see temperatures back into the 70s under partly to mostly cloudy skies, and really uncertain whether that warm front is able to kick off any showers on Monday. Right now, it looks like we'll continue to see dry conditions through early next week. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 at 10 a.m.